Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex, and in this video I would like to show you how to make spiral rope bracelet. Spiral rope is very easy stitch to learn. It has core beads in the middle and loops of accent beads rotating around the core beads. For the green bracelet here, I'm using size 8 green frosted olivine beads. Those will be my core beads, and I will be using 4 of them at a time. And my accent beads are size 11 lustered peridot and size 15 galvanized silver. So in the first round, when you start your bracelet, you will need to pick 4 core seed beads and 7 accent seed beads. Here I'm alternating between silver and green seed beads. So once you picked up your seed beads, sew through the 4 core beads and leave the tail approximately 15 centimeters. Even 20, it's really up to you, but make it long. The second row, pick 1 core bead and 7 accent beads. And you will be doing this for the rest of the length of your bracelet. So once you have that done, sew through the top 4 core seed beads. With every round you're creating little loops with your accent seed beads, but you have to make sure that you keep these loops on one side. So if you pick, let's say, right side, keep these loops on the right side. If you prefer left, you can have it on the left side, but never mix and match. Keep adding 1 core seed bead and 7 accent seed beads until you reach the desired length of your bracelet. You can also try different sizes and shapes of seed beads. You can also try different number of core seed beads and different number of your accent seed beads. And the spiral core will have then completely different look and feel. So as I said, it's very easy stitch to do. This bracelet is also not very time consuming, as depending on the length that you want to achieve, but it can take 1 hour or maybe 2 hours to finish this bracelet, which is absolutely good time. Continue stitching until you reach the length that you need. And once that's done, you can use any type of findings to finish up your bracelet. You can use S hooks, decorated S hooks, T-bars, or just simple hooks. It's really up to you. And voila!